Guys, today I'm gonna to show you how to use AI into Google Sheets with Derrick app. So if you don't have Derrick app yet, please go to Google Workspace Marketplace, download Derrick app, Derrick, install. When you finish to install, go back to your Google Sheet and go to Extension, LinkedIn Email Font Finder, and here Derrick, open sidebar, and you will see this sidebar in Google Sheet. Then we will use the Ask OpenAI feature. And as you can see now, we have this field where we can write a prompt, the prompt we want, and use data inside the Google Sheet. So for instance, we can use a prompt like here is company information. Please do a brief sum up in one line of this company name. You can use the @ to see all column here. So description, industry, and employee accounts. When you finish, you can preview or ask. We will do a preview for first 5 lines to go faster, but if you are sure of your prompt, you can go on this button. Then press the preview or the Ask OpenAI button. As you can see, Derrick will create 2 new columns. So the first one is a response from the prompt we just created, and the second is the statue if we have any problem inside. As you can see, Derrick will take data here, and here, the column we selected, and we'll create a prompt with this data, and we'll iterate for each line with the same prompt each time. So we try for first 5 lines, and as you can see, Derrick took the data and returned the answer from the prompt with OpenAI. That's all. There is a lot of workflow with this feature. I hope you will try this one and will enjoy testing this. If you have any feedbacks, feel free to ask. And that's all. See you soon.